I just got a package. Oh shit. It's pretty heavy. There we go. It's a shift knob. And we're gonna install it today and see how it feels. So first piece, these are different sizes. Hopefully one of them fits. Ooh. It's kind of heavy. It was 450 grams or something. So yeah, let's put it on. So we take this out, pull it down. See which one fits. Butter. Holy crap, it helps a lot. It's so easy, look. Before I used to be like it won't go in. Now it's just, yeah, this is what I needed. But I gotta take this out, man. So I just got cut like this little thing here. You guys gotta be careful with it because I got cut. What happened was that I put this here and then I wanted to take it off and it gets so tight. So I try to take it off and it just cut me, so be careful. And you can never take it off with your hands. You just keep getting cut. So what you need is a rag, wet, just wet a little bit so it grips more, and one of these. And then that way you can take it off. Without this, you won't be able to take it off. So be careful. So now I'm gonna take this off so I could remove this metal piece right here. So let's do that. So I put the zip tie on, and that's how it looks. Hopefully it works. Let's see if it works. So I'm already here. I'm gonna put some grease on my shifter. it doesn't look bad. So if you guys want to try that idea, try it.
How's it feel?
Like it's just shifts so much smoother. Like it goes into gear right away. Before I used to have to push it hard for it to go. Now one finger I can go into gear. So that's pretty good.